Hello everyone! Google is constantly adding neat tricks that go under the radar, and we have new ones that have just arrived. In Google Docs, next to the bullets and numbering lists, we now have the ability to turn on a list and add checkboxes. In Google Calendar, there's a new section called Insights that lets you know how much time you spend on average in meetings. I prefer to keep my view on monthly, but you can change the view here, like weekly or daily. Watch, when I click Insights, hovering over each area gives me some helpful bits of information, like the time I'm in meetings on average by month and how much time I'm spending with specific individuals. I can even pin them to the top of the list. This next tip is not brand new, but is a very powerful time saver. Say if you have a document that you want to be a template for others to use, start by looking at the link on the address bar. Look for the word edit at the end. Change it to copy and clear out any other letters that may follow. Now highlight the new link, copy that, and when you send this link to others, after clicking, they will be prompted to make a copy of the document, which will not affect your original. So that Google form that you spent tons of time on that you want to share to your colleagues, you are now able to send it over, they make a copy, then customize a theme to fit their building and add additional content if needed. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching.